go the other way.
I know it wasn't videoing.
Uh-oh. What's going on now?
Maybe it was just trying to focus on something.
What are you doing? Well, when you
It
push
has to
whatever
do
that
with-
did.
It has to do with these buttons here. I don't know.
Now you're recording. Maybe you stop recording.
Thank you for grabbing it like that. Did you just want to put them on top of each other, or did you?
I don't want to have to like tape every corner, and I don't want to have all the wrinkles. We need them as
Okay,
smooth
so
as
where-
possible.
where
I'm
done
gonna move them over.
Okay.
But see, I can leave the tape, and that should give us a pretty good
Idea.
idea.
Of course. No, you're fine.
Your video might not be that long.
Why?
Your phone's on one bar, it says.
Okay, so
So you think we just stick it in there,
about where it was.
which hopefully we can
See,
remember.
oh my goodness, why does it keep doing that?
Camera people are not supposed to talk. I'm terrible about that though. I
Can
don't
you
know.
touch?
There's nothing in
Yeah,
it,
there's
though.
nothing there. Can you touch that corner over there? Okay, come in. Okay, I can see that, but that's okay.
Yeah, yeah, we can get away with that.
Okay, and I can see a smidge of wood here.
This needs to be tightened. Okay. Oh, not sticky enough.
All right, good.
Enough.
See, the red dot records.
As soon as you press that, it zoomed in.
As soon as I
It's like you controlled it.
oh, that may have been blurry. So in other words, he's saying, go ahead and get a different angle.
Here, Drake, you want to be in the video? You can be in the video. Just for a different angle.
Drake,
This is
here
what
you
I have to work
are.
Woo, woo. Can't get you there, Drake. Alright, repositioning. Phase 2.
What is a 38 thing about?
The cross 38.
Oh, ha! I'm a genius. She wasn't recording them.
Oh, yeah, I have them.
Yeah, rats.
Rats. See, that's it. Camera.
Is this sheet smaller too? Because I got my
Yeah.
thing's not reaching over
I know,
here.
and this one. That's what I'm stressing. I don't know where my other piece is.
Oh, it's full. Okay, I'm not zoomed in, but touch the. I can see the tip of it. Okay.
Good enough for me. Can you see the tape over there?
Yes.
Take a picture.
It's not gonna be very clear. So it's okay that you're missing this section right here?
I don't have a choice, do I?
Well, no, because I can't give it to you.
You sure?
You're also missing a chunk of something right here too.
Well, no. I'm working with what I'm dealt. Sometimes you got a full deck and sometimes you don't.
Alright, here we go. This is what we're doing. This and this. Alright, here you go.
Oh, look, that's a good picture over there of that one. What the heck are we doing, man? Why don't we just use that? Yeah, I can actually see bar right there.
You can see what?
The
Oh,
bar.
you can see what?
I think we're good. Okay.
Hey, some of these had stuff on the back. Is the stuff on back important?
It's all handwritten notes. It might be. I might look at them and see. But right
Because
now,
there's at least one that has a drawing of a sail or something on the back.
you gotta remember that these plans are for a
38, and the red ink is all for 40.
yes. So the plans are actually for a 40, a cross 40 with a sloop rig, where ours is a cross. But the actual plans that aren't corrected are cross 38 with a mizzen rig. So that's the beautiful thing about all this is that you actually have two sets of plans in one here. You can build a cross 38 with a mizzen mast, or you can build a cross 40 with a sloop rig.
So I'm just gonna let you know that this tape over here was my original tape.
Yeah, they're all different sizes.
So I'm not quite
Oh, I
sure.
just zoomed in on my ugly toe.
I'm putting that in the video.
No,
happening?
I will delete this whole video.
Yeah.
Oh, it's recording.
Uh-huh.
Don't know where it's
You
going.
can't hold on to the gimbal like that. The whole purpose of the gimbal is to do its thing.
I know, but I
So
had to.
it doesn't seem like your gimbal is working. Because it shouldn't be doing that.
Told you it's not connected.
But
it probably had to.
Here, Olivia, you help. I'm gonna film. Gotcha.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're just putting the paper with the tape.
You went the good side or the bad side?
Well, no. My corner's supposed to be over here, but I'm missing a whole corner over here.
Shark attack.
Okay, come down that way. Push it. More. A little bit more. Right, okay. Go up to you a little bit. Right there.
So it's really made for a right-handed person.
Well, Olivia is right-handed.
Oh, you got it. So is everybody else in this family.
Do you need some more tape?
No, don't you know that tape is not supposed to be sticky after 17 uses? We'll crop it out. So James, this is fine, but I'm just gonna let you know that you're about to run out of battery over here.
On that thing?
Uh-huh.
Well, what's going on? You said you only used one bar.
Yeah, well, one bar, and I've been turning it off, but now I'm down to one little smidge.
Okay.
I got a right angle. All right, let's see.
That was upside down, I think.
You go push it up a little bit. That's good right there. I think so, yeah. Okay.
Alright. Any more of those? Okay. No? Looking like I didn't overtie my tennis shoes this morning.
Oh, so it. Oh, I see how it works.
What?
They're
They'll
gonna.
still fit them.
It's gonna-
proportional.
Oh, so it'll just be smaller
I
on.
didn't do fit to the frame, so it's not gonna like try to stretch them.
Okay.
Crazy. It'll print them.
I got you. What cranks them out pretty quick, doesn't it?
Yeah, that laser does. An inkjet would take a while. If I had to do them on the other one, that color one,
Uh huh.